Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel here. So we're gonna do an unboxing here. Like I said, normally I don't do these, but I think they're kind of fun here. This order is actually from CarPro. These are actually their new products that are going to be announced for SEMA. I already know what one product is because it was actually released before the product, the package actually showed up. The other two I don't know what they are, so we'll take a look and see what they are. So I appreciate the guys over at Sky's the Limit Car Care, which is CarPro US, for sending this out. So Corey and his team for sending this package out to me for the new products. Normally Avi reaches out to me and says, hey, the new products are coming your way, but this time it looks like Sky's the Limit is taking care of all that. So let's take a look at what they have in the box and we'll go from there. So again, I've already actually just broke the seal there. So let's take a look at what we're gonna get. So even the packing slip doesn't have, it just says that's a custom order. It just says custom item, see notes, and the note says do not post anything until after announced during SEMA. So that's all it says on there. Again, they always give you these little cards here, so these are the new ones, but it's pretty funny. It says Dear Dave, but it's addressed to me, so I got Dave's card. So sorry, Dave. Again, this is Mike G's channel. So the first product was announced. I know what it is. It is actually their Wheel X. Let's pop this open. So this is actually their dedicated wheel cleaner. It says powerful one-step wheel cleaner, efficiently removes all dirt and contaminants. So look, just based on the video that they released for this today, it looks like it's has some iron removing capabilities. Actually, I can smell it through the bottle even though it's sealed. So they provide that and the trigger. So we'll be testing Wheel X here, and this kind of coincides with them. Again, CarPro creates products and releases products that where they see that there's holes in their line, right? So this one is a dedicated wheel cleaner. Most people would tend to use like Iron X as their wheel cleaner, but now you can just use Wheel X, which kind of again now can be paired with Retire. So now we have Wheel X here. Okay, so we have a new coating, and this coating is Gliss 2.0. I don't know the details of this, so I don't know what it says on here, so I'm kind of just reading what it says on the front of the box here. It says Gliss 2.0 Hyper Slick Top Coating, water spot protection, great on C quartz and D quartz, improved slickness, increased durability. So maybe that's what it did. Safe on matte and satin paintwork, highly hydrophobic. So brand new product here. Again, this is primarily used to add as a topper to any of the C quartz coatings or D quartz as well, to add that slickness, and again it'll add hydrophobics. Again, it's always been a real good, nice product, but it looks like hopefully they kind of increase its durability, because one of the things about this product here is it wasn't very durable, but you could apply it as often as you wanted. And the other thing is you could actually remove it with Tarex. Hopefully they kind of solved that, but that's a Gliss 2.0. There's another coating box in here because I was able to get it. Okay, so this one is called D-Light. I have no idea what this is. It says UV blocking plastics coating, prevents yellowing and fading of headlights, PPF, and other plastics. Great for topping existing coatings. So I'm not really sure what this is designed for, but once the social media stuff comes out, we will take a look at this. And actually, I'll pop open the bottles and we'll see what they look like. Just grab a seal and we'll break the seal here, and we'll see. This blade's not sharp on here. Okay, so let's take a look at the bottles, because the colors look cool. They changed the colors for Gliss. So there's the bottle for Gliss. You guys can take a look at that. Gliss 2.0, C quartz. So the new logos look pretty cool. Made in Korea, CarPro Global. Okay, so that's the bottle for that. And of course you always get these in there. And in the kit, the kit contents are the same. You get the block and the suede in there and the directions. Let's look at D-Light. Again, once the social media stuff comes out, then we'll take a look at it. So this one has a cool little bottle on here with the pink on there. So it says D-Light UVA, blocks UVA and UVB. So again, those are the two new coatings from C-Quartz. And again, we'll kind of just take a look and see what these are for. So again, that's the new lineup here for, at least for new products from C-Quartz here. So I'm going to just pop them here so you guys can look at them. Again, that's Wheel X, their wheel cleaner, and then you have the two coatings, Gliss 2.0 and D-Light. So I want to thank the guys over at Sky's the Limit for sending this out. Again, we'll take a look once the social media stuff comes out. Then I can kind of go into further depth of what these coatings are for and what they're intended to be used. But again, I appreciate the folks over at CarPro for always sending me their SEMA products before anybody else. It gives me a chance to try them out. So other than that, post down below. Again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next one. Take care, everyone.